How to take a panorama picture on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, we tap on the more button down here, and then from the pop-up, choose Panorama. Then you can start. First, you point at the subject where you want to begin your picture, and then you tap on the shutter button like this, and then we continue to move. So follow the arrow, and you want to keep the camera steady. You don't move up and down too much, otherwise you will not get a perfect pictures. So you want to aim the rectangle to stay within a straight line right here, and then move your camera to the right. So turn your camera like this. So slowly turn like that, and that's it. So once you have completed that rectangle, then you have successfully finished your panorama pictures. Now, as I said, if you move too much, then the pictures will not be attached or stitched together correctly. And that's it. So that's how you can take a panorama picture on your Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video.